Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Oh my gosh, this Michael Jackson song and dance is blowing up, the PYT. And some people tell me the hardest part is the one tag. So I'm going to make a video just about the tag. Let's go. Let's see how this goes. This is a video about a tag. Okay, so we just did our This is our short B. We cut off the kickball change and the pivot turn. So we do a pivot turn. 1, 2, run. 3 and 4 and hold. 5, 6, 7, 8. How's that? Then we sweep our left foot. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Yes. So we held 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sweep, turn to your step back on your right foot. Sweep, sailor with a step. Sailor, step, step. Yes. Let's put those two together. So it's 1, 2, run. 1 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. We do 2 heel lifts over our left shoulder, going a quarter to the back, quarter. Then I like to make sure my weight's on my right foot because I'm going to press forward a little bit with my left and go back, slide it, and then bring it together. And the counts are, did our hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, step 6, 7 and 8 and. Yes. Put those two together. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7. Get ready. 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Then we do 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. I hope that helps. So we just did our freeze, 2, 3, 4, sweep, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So 3 is pressing forward on your left, 4 is stepping back on your right, 5 is a slide, 6 is step on your left, and then 4 runs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I hope that helps. Okay, so we just did freeze, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. So the next part starts with the heel bounces, turning an eighth and an eighth, finishing with our weight on our right so we can press forward with our left. Step back on right, slide, step on 6, and run 7 and 8 and. So it's 1 and 2 and 3, left press, step back 4, slide 5, step on it 6, left, run 5 and 6 and. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. And we've done that before. So that's the next part. We just did our run, 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 run. We hold 1, 2, 3, 4, sweep, sailor, step, step. Yes, let's put that together. We're almost done. Starting with our pivot turn. Right half pivot and a run, run, run together. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, sweep, 5, 6, sailor, step, step, bounce, bounce, press, step, slide, step, run, 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 and hold. 2, 3, 4, sweep, sailor, step, step. Yes! We have 4 more counts, that's it. So we're going to do our heel bounces again. And you can either say there's 3 of them or there's 4 of them. For my brain, it's easier with 3. So it's 1, 2, 3. Then on 4, I step forward on my left because I'm going to go forward and start A again with my right foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the last part of the tag is the hold, 2, 3, 4. Sweep, sailor, step, step, bounce, 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 go forward and walk, walk. All right, all together. Here we go. It's like a whole dance, right? Okay, we're going to start with a pivot turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, half pivot and a run, run, run together. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Get ready to sweep. Sailor, step, step, bounce, bounce. 3, 4, 5, step. Run, 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 and hold. 2, 3, 4, and sweep. Sailor, step, step, bounce. 2, 3, 4. Again, right? Again and again and again. Here we go. 5, 6. From the top, the long tag. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pivot, turn, run, run, run together. Hold. 2, 3, 4, and sweep. Sailor, step, step, bounce, bounce, press, step, slide, step, run, 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 and hold. 2, 3, 4, and sweep. Sailor, step, step, bounce, 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 go. So you can do a 4th bounce, but I have to pick up my right foot because it's going to start next. All right, again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, half pivot, and a run, run, run together. Hold. 2, 3, 4, and sweep. Sailor, step, step, bounce, bounce, forward, back, slide, step on it. Run, 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 and hold. 2, 3, 4, and sweep. Sailor, step, step, bounce, 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 step. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. Start. That's it.